Hi, I'm Mark from the Home Depot Rental Center. If you need to clean a large, flat outdoor area, the Mighty M Surface Cleaner is a great solution. This cleaner can be used on wooden decks, patios, sidewalks, driveways, and parking lots. The surface cleaner hood contains the overspray, virtually eliminating any additional cleanup. The cleaner can cover a large area quickly. It uses less water, reduces your cleaning time, and gives you professional-looking results. Now, before you get started, there are safety precautions you need to take when operating a pressure washer. Always wear safety glasses and closed-toe shoes to protect yourself from the possibility of direct spray. It's important to clear away loose and large debris that could impede the motion of the surface cleaner. Once the area is cleared, you're ready to begin cleaning. Connect the water supply to the pressure washer and then attach the surface cleaner to the high-pressure hose, which is similar to a standard wand assembly. Make sure all connections are firmly in place. Turn on the water and start the pressure washer. If you're using a gas-powered pressure washer, always run in a well-ventilated area. Release the safety latch and squeeze the trigger gun. The spray bar under the surface cleaner will begin to rotate and create pressure, allowing the tool to glide along the surface. Never lock the trigger gun open when cleaning. Walk slowly, cleaning as you go. Now, if striping occurs, slow down your pace. It's important to keep the surface cleaner moving for an even cleaning pattern. If you're working on a soft surface such as wood, never allow the rotary surface cleaner to remain stationary. This will leave circular marks on the wood surface. When your project is complete, turn the engine switch on the pressure washer to the off position. Remember, pressure has built up in the system, so you must squeeze the trigger gun to release the pressure after the unit has been shut off. Turn off your water supply and disconnect the surface cleaner from the high pressure hose, allowing as much water as possible to drain. When you're ready to transport the unit, make sure it's properly secured in your vehicle. Visit your local Home Depot or homedepot.com/rentals to learn more about the best tools for your next project.